Hello friends, today I am going to demonstrate the working of SI7050 with Raspberry Pi. So let's begin. First go to controleverything.com and search for SI7050. Click the subsequent link. SI7050 is a high accuracy temperature sensor with a sensitivity of 1 degree Celsius. The mode of communication between the sensor and with Raspberry Pi is I2C. The output data resolution is 14-bit. Today I am going to interface SI7050 with Raspberry Pi using Java. For our Java code you can go to Resources, click Resources, and under Java code sample we have our Java code. Click SI7050. The Java code can be downloaded from here as zip file or it can be found on GitHub. Go to github.com and search for Control Everything Community. Search for SI7050. Click SI7050 and under Java we have our Java code. So this is how our Java code looks like. For hardware connection we need a Raspberry Pi. These are the GPIO pins of Raspberry Pi. Next we have an I2C adapter. This I2C adapter is available on controleverything.com. The purpose of using an I2C adapter is to simplify the connection between Raspberry Pi and various I2C devices. Put the I2C adapter onto the GPIO pins and press gently, and hence the connection is completed. The other thing that we need is our sensor, that is SI7050. For connection we need connecting cables. Make sure while you make connection that the brown wire of the connecting cable is connected to the ground terminal of the sensor and that too of the I2C adapter. To power up the Raspberry Pi, we will need a micro USB cable. This is a micro USB cable. Put it into the power jack of the Raspberry Pi. To provide Raspberry Pi with internet connectivity, we will need a LAN cable. This is a LAN cable. Put it into the Ethernet jack of the Raspberry Pi. If it happens so that you don't have a LAN cable, you can also use a Wi-Fi module. This is a Wi-Fi module. So this is all we need for our project to work. Now that we are done with our hardware, let's see how our sensor SI7050 works with the Raspberry Pi using Java. For our Java code, you can go to GitHub and search for Control Everything Community. Search for SI7050. Click SI7050 and under Java, we have our Java code. Before we jump into the code, I would like to tell you that I have used Py4j library for Java. The link is provided so as to help for the installation of the library. Make sure you install the library before you jump into the Java code. Now let's see how our Java code looks like. Click Java and si7050.java. This is how our Java code looks like. First, we have imported all the packages which are required for our I2C to work. Then we have created a class with name SI7050. Under the main function, we have created a bus instance of the I2C bus class. And we have created a device whose I2C address is 0x40. Then we have sent a temperature measurement command onto the sensor in no hold master. Then we have waited for some time for measurement to take place. Now we are reading 2 bytes of data back from the sensor. The formula for conversion of raw data into a valid data is given clearly into the data sheet. Now here we are outputting our data onto the console of the Raspberry Pi. To upload our code onto the Raspberry Pi, first copy all the code and go to terminal. Here create a file same as the name of the class, that is SI7050 with .java extension. Paste and save your code. To compile your file, type py4j java with your file name and Java extension. This is how your Java file is compiled. It will take some time, and after compilation it is there. Click py4j.java and SI7050 and this time without .java extension to run the file. When I click enter, I got my output on the screen of the Raspberry Pi. Now I am putting my finger on the sensor and the value changes. Now that we are done with the interfacing of SI7050 with Raspberry Pi, let's talk about its application. It finds many applications like in industrial refrigerator, freezers and consumer electronics. For any doubts or comment, contact us on controleverything.com. Be sure to post on our community page. You can also find more videos and articles on Hexter.io and Instructables.com. Please make sure to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. At the end, take care and thanks for watching.